I've never thought that loving someone this much was even close to possible. I love how excited you get when you discover something new, plan for a trip, or even just get a new bag of chocolates. I love your independent spirit and determination to get things done yourself, and I love your perseverance to push through even when things don't work out quite right. I love your impeccable honesty. While not always what I want to hear, knowing you only tell the truth has built an unshakable foundation of trust. I love how good of a partner you are, always offering a helping hand, an ear to bend, and a heart of acceptance. I love that you accept my flaws and work with me to improve myself and never demanding I change by anybody but for me.
They say you find love when you least expect it. From the very beginning of our relationship, I knew I had found someone special. I'm so glad you were patient with me, and I know we both agree our beginning friendship helped build our strong foundation we have now. I love you more than I can ever tell you, and as your wife, starting today, I want to make these promises to you. I promise to love you unconditionally and to always keep you and our relationship my #1 priority. I promise to continue to acknowledge and appreciate all the little things you do as they constantly remind me why I love you so much. I promise I will be there for you through all of life's ups and downs, to have your back no matter what, and to take care of you when you are sick or unwell. I promise to try new things with you, and even some things I don't want to. Most of all, I promise to continue to choose you every single day and spend the rest of our lives together, showing you just how much I love you. I've never been more confident in a decision than I am to marry you today, because I have never felt more happy or more accepted by anyone than I have with you. Thank you for choosing me, crazy cat lady and all. I feel like the luckiest person in the world to have found such an incredible, thoughtful, and supportive partner to share the rest of my life with. You truly are my forever person, and I cannot wait for the life we will create together.
You bring balance to every aspect of my life, and just knowing that you're in it makes me so much happier. I stand here overjoyed and awestruck that I get to call you, Brittainy, my forever person. I promise to always make you my #1 priority no matter what. I promise to accept what few flaws you have as you have accepted mine. I promise to stop leaving things in the oven and to turn it off when I'm done. I promise to never stop our battle of who loves who more. I promise to be your home when you need shelter, your compass when you need direction, and your anchor when you feel tides may push you astray. And I promise to love you more and more every single day, unconditionally. I can't imagine life without you, and I promise myself to you for this life and whatever lies beyond.